Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today I am going to open the July Mint Mongoose. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so welcome to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by to hang out with me. Today I have my Mint Mongoose for July. I'm running a little bit behind as I was in California for 2 weeks, but I'm home now. So Mint Mongoose is $12.99 a month for 3 pieces of jewelry. There is also a step up where you get 4 pieces of jewelry, but I will have everything down in the description for you to see what it costs and a link for a referral. If I have any discounts, that will also be in the referral link below. So let me tell you about Mint Mongoose. I've been doing Mint Mongoose for probably year and a half or so, about a year and a half. This is one of the first subscriptions I did when I started my channel. So what you do is you go into the website and they need to do a style profile, of course, for you. They're going to ask you rose gold, regular gold, silver. You need to pick which one that you want them to send. There's also a surprise me. So they will randomly send you different color jewelry so you don't have the same every time. Some people like only silver, so they can get only silver. Same thing with the other colors. So they're going to ask you if your ears are pierced or not pierced. They're going to ask you necklaces, bracelets, all those things they want to know about you. So you have to fill that out first, which is great because that's going to get you what you want. So I just recently changed mine to rose gold because I only have a few pieces of rose gold and I would love to get more pieces. So let's look at July's. I am going to open it up. I love the turquoise color. As you all know, I'm a beachy girl living in Arkansas. So inside the turquoise envelope is always a pretty little envelope to open. Let's see what we got. So once you open this, you're going to have your 3 pieces all wrapped separately. There it is. Okay. So they always give you a piece of Werther's candy in their bags that they send out. And I love it because it is gluten-free. And last time there was no candy in there. And I was like, oh, heartbroken, thinking, where did that candy go? It's just like 1 piece of candy. And yeah, I could just buy it myself. But it's always nice to have a little something in your butt, or I would say bag, right? So here's what you see inside of this little envelope. So we're going to open it up. And like I said, I asked for rose gold, so I'm really hoping I have rose gold. Okay, there's my, I'm just going to show you the 3 little packages right now that are here. So what I normally do, let me grab it. I'm hoping it's not too dirty because it's been sitting out. I normally put my jewelry on this little card so you're able to see it better. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I've got it together. Can everybody see this? This is super cute, guys. So at the bottom is a second necklace with a little barbell on it. Let me try and pull it down a little, or up a little. Okay, and then above it is just a plain chain necklace. And then there are 2 earrings that are little barbells to match the bottom necklace. What do you guys think of that? I think this is going to be really a cute jewelry set to wear. This looks like one I might actually take on my cruise this month. So you guys tell me what you think. So all 3 pieces, including 2 earrings, are for $12.99 a month. So you can get this in other colors if you rather have silver or gold, but I love the rose gold and I am trying to get my wardrobe up in the rose color. So like I said, guys, that was an awesome set come out today. If you like this subscription, feel free to go down below, check out the details, check out my referral link. I'm not sure exactly how much you'll get off of your first purchase with them, but you let me tell you this, you can also say you've gotten 6 months and you need to take a break for a month or 2. You can actually go on there and pause your subscription so that you don't have to have it every month. Or you can just go in there and get it every other month and just pause it in between. So that's something great. You don't have to cancel your subscription, but you can actually pause it. So, okay guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I am marathoning my videos today, so I need to get those out to you. Sorry that it's been less than normal. Like I said, I was in California for 2 weeks and really didn't film very much besides a couple of vlogs, which are coming up. So stay tuned, guys. 250 subscribers is going to be a very big giveaway for me. I'm really, really excited. I have a Balzano handbag filled with goodies, lifestyle. There is makeup, skincare, just a little bit of everything in that purse. And it will go to one winner, and it will be when I hit 250. So right now I'm at 222. I think this morning I've lost a couple subscribers, but that's okay. I'll get some more. I appreciate you guys being here. If you are not subscribed, subscribe below, hit the bell so you know when I put out videos. I try to put out at least 4 videos per week, including 1 weekly vlog. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.